Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look at the Forex market. Today we'll take a look at the euro currency and the Great British pound briefly. So as you could see, activity is decreasing at the eve of the Thanksgiving, so it probably should be two holidays on Thursday and Friday mostly, although markets somehow will work permanently, but in general, as you understand, everybody will take the risk. So that's why maybe we will take a look. Maybe we skip some daily updates on Friday or on Thursday if nothing will happen on the market. So or I just replace euro currency with some other currency that we rare take a look at it. So maybe Japanese yen or something. It's because I suppose that it might happen that in Thursday and Friday it will be nothing to discuss on euro currency in particular. So we will see. Right now, you can see that market actually, well, showing the performance that we have just discussed. So market completes the XOP, completes the touch the target, the touch the fib level, it's 109.60, which creates an agreement resistance. The market right now is not at overbought. But as I said yesterday, this doesn't mean that market is ready to show the deep drop, according to the potential pattern that we discussed on the weekly chart. So potentially it might be some kind of the brand body sell with the downward action, but in the current moment I do not like the performance right there. And the same we could say on Great British pound. So what the particular moments, that's a bit looks a bit curious. So first of all, in the cross market analysis, once again we have to take a look at the dollar index and take a look what's going on here. So market is dropping, euro currency stands already right there, but dollar index is not yet. At the same time, it has no supports until this level, and it's not at the reversal. The same we could say about the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, on the dollar index is also not at the result. So theoretically, this here is also the free space. This market really could just keep dropping. So here you can see this brand body even more evident. So this strong thrusting upward action and collapsed. Normally, market has to start brand body with the 3 close below the 3x3 from the some fib level, and here was some confluence, but it hasn't happened. The market is dropping. So currently here, probably we can't call it as a pure brand body, some kind of a brand body look like. So, and the chances as market is dropping low, the chances that it will start working is dropping, so decreasing. Potentially it might be just a downward breakout, no brand body will happen. That's why on the euro currency we have to be very careful and take care about clear bearish reversal patterns. So if we will not get anything on the lower time frames, it means that despite how attractive the overall picture looks here, it would be better to not take the position yet. So we need to keep an eye on what is going on. Here is not right now. I do not see anything that could be used for possibly taking the short position on the volatile frame chart. Yes, we have the divergence, but nothing else. So here is no bearish patterns. This market shows this minor pullback out from the fib level. If we consider, for example, this pattern, which is a large hand and shoulder, right? So here is we have to get some more evident bearish activity. And when the market shows on the right side of the pattern such an activity that we see right there, so it's very slow, gradual, choppy downward action, it's not good sign for the bearish reversal pattern, because usually bearish patterns works faster, especially when the bears still take the control of the market, drop usually accelerating. That's we do not see it. So here's mostly it looks like just gradual pullback to the favored 50% support area of the euro currency, which actually keep chance on the further upward action, or at least postpone the moment where theoretically brand body could start. At the same time, if you take a look at the British pound, so recall what we talked about the monthly chart. We are in the brand body buy, but this pattern hasn't quite reached the target yet, and this target stands around 27.20. on this FIB level. Yes, market currently hits the XOP that stands behind of the confluence, but take a look what the really fast acceleration here we have on the way to the XOP. And at these points we also do not have something really bearish. Market is not at the overbought, and it also keeps chances on the possible upward continuation to complete the monthly Brent bottom. As you understand, as euro is a Great British Pound is a part of the dollar index, and in this case all this puzzle get together, suggesting that dollar also should keep going lower, which means that other currencies should maybe at a different degree but stand on the surface or even keep moving higher. And all this stuff together makes me really, well, maybe not worry about the possible setup, but at least at the current moment I feel some insufficient context for taking the short position. It seems that everything already stands in place, so everything is ready to start. But this cross-market analysis, this price behavior of different currencies, well, makes me feel uncomfortable with taking short position right now. Besides, today we also prepared the video on the gold market. But if you're watching it, yesterday we discussed the possible grabber on the daily chart on the gold. And take a look on the gold, we haven't got any grabber. So market just break the 600 level, keep going higher, which also is a weakness, indication of the weakness of the dollar. So this is also some brick in the wall of the possible dollar weakness, and put the shadow on perspective of the bearish reversal as on the Great British Pound right now, as on the euro currency. So that's why we have to be careful, and in current circumstances I would suggest that it would be better to not consider taking the short position in euro by far.